Hello again. This is Rimi, and welcome to Section 3. You are doing fantastic. We know how to say hello. We know how to say our names. And we know how to ask, "How are you?" Now when you introduce yourself, people want to know where you live. They want to know your home, your country. This is very interesting because the world is so big and has so many beautiful places. To ask someone about their country, we ask this simple question: where are you from? Let us repeat it together, word by word. Where are you from? Where are you from? One more time, listen in shadow. Where are you from? To answer this question, you can use a very easy sentence structure. I am from country. For example, if you're from Bangladesh, you say, I am from Bangladesh. If you're from India, you say, I am from India. If you're from the USA, you say, I am from the USA. Let us practice with different countries. Repeat after me. I am from Bangladesh. I'm from India. I am from Japan. I am from Canada. Now, think about your own country. I will ask the question, and you will answer out loud. Ready? Rimi, where are you from? You. Perfect. Now, there is another way to talk about your country. You can say your nationality. Nationality means the group of people you belong to. For example, if you are from Bangladesh, your nationality is Bangladeshi. You say, I am Bangladeshi. If you are from India, you say, I am Indian. If you are from America, you say, I am American. If you are from Japan, you say, I am Japanese. Let us notice the difference. I am from Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the country. I am Bangladeshi. Bangladeshi is the adjective nationality. Let us practice both. Repeat after me. I am from India. I am Indian. I am from Spain. I am Spanish. I am from England. I am English. Now let us talk about your city. The city is the specific place inside the country. We use the verb live. I live in city. For example, I live in Dhaka, or I live in Kolkata, or I live in London. Let us repeat. I live in Dhaka. Let us combine the country and the city. It sounds like this. I am from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. I am from India, and I live in Mumbai. Let us practice this full sentence. I will pause for you. I am from, and I live in. Excellent. You're building a bigger introduction now. Let us see how it looks from the beginning. Hello, good morning. My name is Rimi. I am from Bangladesh, and I live in Dhaka. Nice to meet you. Look at that. You can now speak 4 full sentences in English. That is a huge success for an A1 learner. Be proud of yourself. This is the end of Section 3. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Get ready for Section 4.